Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today our group will present on the topic AI for listening and speaking, pronunciation and recognition. Before we start the discussion, let me introduce our member of group. First, my name is Alfa Putra Arman, and I will begin the presentation by explaining why listening and speaking are difficult skills. And then my friends Indira Rahma Fatika and Genio Tridian Jaya will continue with other parts. Okay, first thing first, why listening and speaking are difficult skills. So let me first explain the definition of listening and speaking, as well as why these two skills are often difficult. According to Howard and Dakin, 1974, listening is the ability to identify and understand what others are saying. This involves understanding a speaker's accent or pronunciation, his grammar and his vocabulary also, and grasping his meaning. I mean, an effective listener must be able to predict, interpret, and even infer attitudes and intention from the speaker. Uh, then the definition of speaking. On the other hand, the speaking is the productive skills. Different with listening. Listening is receptive skills. So, speaking is using a language to communicate ideas, feelings, or information orally. It requires mastery of pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and comprehension. In other words, listening is about understanding message, while speaking is about producing them clearly and effectively. So, everyone, although listening and speaking are central to communication, many students find them more difficult than other language skills, such as reading and writing. This is because both require real-time processing. Yeah, you know what I mean. In listening, students have to understand message as they are spoken, while in speaking, they have to produce. Yeah, they have to produce correct language instantly without much preparation. And then uh, according to Yagang 90, uh, 94, 1994, listening problems can be divided into four main areas. So this is about why listening is difficult. First, the message itself can be difficult because spoken texts are fast, uh, un- unorganized, and then often contain slang, colloquial expressions, or reduced forms such as liaison and elision. Second, the speaker may also cause difficulties as natural speech is full of hesitations, redundancies, and different accents that are hard to follow. Third, the listener may lack vocabulary, cultural knowledge, or confidence, which makes comprehension even harder. Finally, the physical setting also matters, since noise, poor audio quality, and the absence of visual clues like gestures or facial expressions can reduce understanding. Okay, everyone. Now we move to the speaking problems. Speaking problems also come from several sources. According to Andriani Putri, 2020, many students have limited vocabulary, which prevents them from expressing their ideas. They also struggle with pronunciation because English words are often pronounced differently from how they written. Grammar and word arrangement present another challenge, as students are often confused about how form a correct sentence. How form correct sentence. In addition, psychological factors such as nervousness, fear of mistakes, and lack of self-confidence make students reluctant to speak. So today, modern era, artificial intelligence can also be used to overcome difficulties in listening and speaking. For listening, AI provides access various authentic materials such as podcasts, audiobooks, and interactive listening apps. And for speaking, AI-powered tools such as chatbots or virtual assistants. So, these technologies not only provide immediate feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary, but also create a safe, sportive environment for practice. Therefore, by combining traditional classroom methods with AI-based applications, students can gradually build confidence and improve their listening and speaking skills more effectively. Now, let's move to the next material that will be explained by Indira. Go ahead, Indira.
Okay, now I will explain about AI for pronunciation practice. So, for the definition itself, AI for pronunciation practice is the technology that designed to help language learners by using speech recognitions and analysis. It works by listening to the learner's speech, identifying errors in pronunciation, and then providing real time. Also, personalized feedback. Through this process, learners can gradually improve their accent, reduce repeated mistakes, and sounds more natural when speaking English. And then for the key benefits of AI for pronunciation practice is that it gives personalized feedback to us. Unlike traditional methods where a teacher may not have time to correct every student, AI tools analyze each individual learner's speech and show exactly which sounds, pitch, or rhythm is incorrect. So this makes learning more precise and tailored to the learner's needs. For the second benefit is real-time correction. So everyone, instead of waiting for a teacher or native speakers to correct them later, learners receive instant feedback as soon as they make an error. So this helps them to recognize their mistake immediately and correct them on the spot, which is very effective for faster improvement. And for the third benefit is adaptive learning. So many AI applications are designed to adapt to the user's progress. For example, like if a learner often struggles with certain sounds, the app will give more exercise focusing on those sounds. So this adaptive system makes the learning experience more personal and efficient, more more personal, because learners spend more time practicing areas where they need the most support. And then for um, another important benefit is accessibility. In the past, getting good pronunciation practice often required access to native teachers or expensive courses. Nowadays, with AI tools, many learners can practice anytime and anywhere using free or affordable apps like AI. This opens the opportunity for learners from different backgrounds to access quality pronunciation training without limitation. And finally, AI tools provide a motivating environment. Many applications include features such as progress tracking, levels, daily goals, and then even gamification elements. So learners can see their progress over time anywhere, which motivates them to continue practicing their pronunciation, their speaking skill. And some applications also include AI coaches that encourage learners and make the experience feel more interactive and engaging. So there are a lot of several popular tools that represent AI, like for pronunciation practice. One of the popular tools is Elsa Speak, which focuses focus on personalized pronunciation lessons. Speak by OpenAI, which allows learners to practice in conversation, and the Google pronunciation tools also um, gives quick feedback on individual words, like that. So let's more focus on Elsa Speak. So um, Elsa Speak is an AI powered application developed to help non native English speakers improve their pronunciation and fluency. So these apps use advanced speech recognition technology to analyze the learner's speech. It then provides immediate feedback on different aspects, and then including the accuracy of consonant and vowel sounds, the correct use of stress, and the natural flow of intonation. So the applications also offers um, more than um, 1,600 lessons that cover different English sounds, words, and themes. So what's um what no how to make these tools work, how this works in practice, how Elsa AI works. So everyone, first you have to choose a role play, button in the application. So when you open Elsa AI, you will see several role play options. For example, chat with friends, shopping at the mall, ask the direction, or a job interview. So you have to make own scenario for that. Okay, so select my own scenario. So if you want to create your own situation, tap my own scenario, and the app will ask, what kind of scenario would you like to role play? Can you give me some details about it? Like that. And you have to create your scenario, and you can speak or type the situation you want to practice. Example, like you want to make scenario about ordering coffee in coffee shop. You have to speak or type it, and then start the role play. So Elsa AI generates a conversation for you, and then number 5 and the last is complete the conversation. You continue practicing the dialogue until it finishes, just like a real-time conversation. So if it's done, at the end it shows roleplay completed. Well done, like that. So, in conclusion about Elsa AI is, and then conclusion about AI pronunciation practice is, AI for pronunciation practice offers many advantages. from personalized feedback and adaptive learning to accessibility and motivation. And applications such as Elsa Speaks show how powerful AI can be in supporting learners to improve their pronunciation and fluency. With these tools, learning becomes faster, more effective, more good, more engaging, of course, for English learners all over the world. I think that's it that I want to explain to you guys. I'll give it back to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, now I will explain about the AI for pronunciation and speaking practice based on study that tests the speaking program. So, this technology use AI-powered speech recognitions to listen to learner speech, identify mispronunciations, and provide uh, to learner speech and provide real-time personalized feedback. And through this process, learners can gradually improve their sound's accuracy, fluency, and overall confidence when speaking English. One of the key benefits of this AI system is personalized feedback. Unlike traditional classroom methods, where the teachers cannot always correct every single student, the AI analyzes each learner's voice and highlight exactly which sounds or words mispronounced. This makes practice more precise and focus on the learner's needs. The second benefit is real-time correction. Learners receive instant feedback right after speaking, so they can recognize their mistakes immediately and try again. In the study, students' pronunciation scores improved significantly, with the average score rising from 6.4 and 1320 after using the program. So the third benefit is improved fluency. The AI encourage repeat practice of sentence of their pronunciations, but also become more fluent speakers. The speaking scores improve from the 328 to 712 on average, showing measurable progress in oral communication. So another benefit is accessibility and motivation. Students could practice anytime and anywhere using the speaking app on their own device. Many participants report that the program kept them more focused and motivated. In fact, 92% of learners said the AI activities help them stay engaged, and most feel more confident with speaking English after practice. And finally, the study emphasized the role of AI as a virtual language coach. The systems adapt to the learner's performance, repeats difficult item, and gives encouragement along the way. This creates a supportive and interactive environment even without a teacher physically present. So, let's take a closer look at how this work and practice in the study. First, students first took a pre-test to measure their pronunciation and speaking level. Second, they then used SpeechLink regularly, recording sentence and receiving AI-powered correction. And third, after several weeks, they took a post-test which showed significant improvements in both pronunciation accuracy and speaking fluency. And fourth, a survey revealed that the most enjoy the program and found it helpful for learners and new vocabulary, practicing intonations and reducing speaking anxiety. So, in short, AI-powered speech recognition technology provide clear benefits for language learners. Personalized feedback, real-time corrections, fluency improvement, accessibility, and motivations. The case of SpeechLink demonstrates how powerful AI can be supporting in English learners to achieve better pronunciations and more natural speaking skills. So, thank you.
Okay, everyone, in conclusion, AI plays a significant role in improving English language learning, especially in listening and speaking skills. We have explained the difficulties in listening and speaking, such as vocabulary limitation, pronunciation issues, grammar challenges, and external factors like the environment and teaching strategies. Uh, we also show how AI tools such as Speak and SpeechLink can provide personalized feedback, real-time correction, adaptive learning, and motivation to help learners overcome these problems. By combining traditional learning methods with AI technology, students can build confidence and achieve better fluency and comprehension. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.